Allow yourself to be still. Sense your body and how it feels. Notice any areas of holding on and let this go. Now notice your breath just the way it is, breathing in and out. Now notice any thoughts that come into your consciousness. You don't need to analyze these thoughts, just notice them and let them go. One thought, then another. And where there is no thought, be aware of the space of your mind. Now say to yourself, energy flows freely in my body and mind. My mental space is clear and bright. I move along my path with ease, joy, inspiration, and clarity. I experience and create light, joy, guidance, and illumination. I have peace in my heart, mind, and body, and share this in my daily life. Now sense your in and out breath once again. Feel the position of your body Bring your attention to now, moving on with a lightness and clarity, guided by deep wisdom.